Anawon, have you ever wondered why some people seem to climb out of poverty while others stay stuck no matter how hard they work? The secret is not about working harder, it's about working smarter. And that all begins with one powerful lesson: knowing the difference between an asset and a liability. Miss this lesson and you'll keep running in circles. Master it and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. 1. What is an asset? An asset is anything that puts money into your pocket. Think of it like planting a seed. Once you water it, the tree grows and starts producing fruit, and you can keep harvesting again and again. That's what assets do. They keep giving examples of assets. Rental property. Every month, tenants pay rent. That's money flowing to you, not away from you. Stocks and investments. Imagine owning shares of a company like Apple. As the company grows, the value of your shares grows too. Some even pay you dividends, free money for being an owner. Businesses or side hustles, a YouTube channel, a small shop, an app you build, these can keep earning even when you're not working. Education and skills. Believe it or not, knowledge is an asset. Learning a skill that can make you money for life is more valuable than any car or phone you'll ever buy. The beauty of assets is simple. Once you have enough of them, they start paying for your lifestyle. That's why wealthy people say, don't work for money, let money work for you. 2. What is a liability? Now let's talk about liabilities, the silent wealth killers. A liability is anything that takes money out of your pocket. Think of it like a leaking bucket. No matter how much water you pour in, it keeps dripping out. Examples of liabilities. Cars bought on credit. The value drops the moment you drive it, but the loan and insurance keep draining your money. Expensive gadgets. The latest iPhone feels good for a week, but does it bring money back to you? If not, it's just draining your wallet. Your personal house. This surprises many people. If your house is not producing rental income, it's actually a liability. You keep paying bills, repairs, and taxes. It doesn't pay you back. Debt and loans. Every loan you take that doesn't generate income is a chain holding you back. It's like running a race with weights on your legs. The painful truth is this: many people spend their whole lives buying liabilities and calling them assets. They think they're building wealth, but in reality, they're digging deeper into financial struggle. Here is the secret habit of the rich. This what separates the wealthy from everyone else. The rich focus on buying assets first, while others waste their income on liabilities. They build a portfolio of things that pay them every month. Then, once their assets cover their expenses, they use that extra money to enjoy luxuries. Poor people, on the other hand, do the opposite. They buy cars, gadgets, and flashy things first. They look rich, but inside they're trapped because their money is flowing out, not in. So here's my challenge to you today. The next time you want to spend money, stop and ask yourself, is this an asset or is it a liability? If it doesn't put money back into your pocket, think twice. Because the day you focus on building assets instead of collecting liabilities is the day your journey to financial freedom begins. If you are ready to build assets, follow my channel for more financial lessons that will set you free.